I think the AI machine learning is really exciting. You know, learning about our customers' needs and wants on a very personal level and adapting the way that we interact with those individuals at a personal level to feel that their engagement with our brand is one-to-one. I think that's hugely exciting. Being able to understand what data is telling us about those customers to enrich that experience even further, I think is hugely significant as well. Our customers like technology. That's generally what we see. So when new technology arrives on the scene, you know, different human-computer interactions, you know, I'd like to think that we can leverage these new technologies to innovate and bring our brand to those products and to those capabilities in good time, so the customer continues to interact with us as technology around us innovates and develops. So can we. That's what I see going forward.